Hello everybody, today we will take a look at the difference between editorial and commercial images. Let's start with the commercial images first. Commercial or creative images are used to promote different services, businesses, or products. You can find them everywhere, from blogs on the internet to the TV commercials. What is important for this kind of images is that there shouldn't be any logos, brand names, recognizable people or properties, and any artwork, unless you have a valid model or property release. This means that if you have recognizable people in the image, you have to submit a valid model release with the picture itself if you want this image accepted as commercial. Same applies to the property release. But be careful. It's important to keep in mind that the question is not whether a person is recognizable to you, but whether they are recognizable to themselves. So, if you have a picture of people's back or people's in the silhouette, you'll probably still need a model release. If you are taking pictures of objects, like cars, make sure people can't recognize the brand or model of the car. When taking pictures of body parts, make sure there aren't any tattoos or birthmarks. As for this, you will again need a model release. Commercial images also gives you a freedom of editing, and you can awake inner artists of yours. I put 2 guidelines from Shutterstock and a very useful article about these topics to the video description, so take a look for even more specific information if something isn't clear yet. This can generally apply to other stock sites as well, but look at your specific stock site for more accurate information. If you find this video useful, like would be amazing, and a subscription would be breathtaking. Now let's look at editorial images. Editorial images are more news related, and for them you don't need any releases. Editorial photos document real-life issues, current events, and they cannot be used to promote services or products of any kind. Keep in mind that not every stock site accepts editorial images, and when they do, you need to follow a certain upload format. For Shutterstock, you need to click on the editorial button and then write city, country, and a date, followed by a description just like you usually write it for a commercial image. Because these kinds of images are mostly used by the news industry to reflect real life, you can't heavily edit them. Like you cannot remove or add something to the picture in post-production, but you can make basic color corrections. Also, you can't upload pictures from any ticketed events like concerts or sports matches, except if you have a proof of press credentials for that specific event. And that is basically it. I hope I clarified some things with this short explanation. If there is still something you don't know, drop a comment down below, and if I will know, I will answer it. If you're interested how much I earned as a beginner photographer on Shutterstock in just 1 year, click this video right here. And good luck with your future uploads. And I will see you in another video.